In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix app crashing issues on any Android phone. There are multiple methods. The first method is go in settings, scroll down, go in apps, go in manage apps or all apps in your device. Search here web. As you can see here, Android system web view is showing. Simply tap on it, scroll down. You can uninstall the updates. Tap on OK. Now, if your issue is still not fixed, then again tap on it. Simply go in storage and clear the data. Clear all data including the cache. Tap on OK. Now this is the first method. If your phone apps is still crashing, then follow the second method. Go in settings, scroll down, go in additional settings, go in memory extensions, extend your memory from here. Now if you are still facing the same issue, then go in settings, search in your device, storage, simply go in storage, scroll down, tap on storage. As you can see here, I have a lot of free space available in my storage. Maybe in your case your storage is full, so try installing the applications, images, audios and big videos. If you are still facing app crashes issues in your Android device, then follow this step. Go in settings, search here, reset, go in factory reset. Try resetting your device, it may be solve your problem. So these are the methods to fix app crashing issues on any Android device. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel for more information like this.